Hello students, in this video we will discuss about shortest distance between two lines. What is the shortest distance? Shortest distance means minimum distance. Suppose in a space there are two lines intersect at a point in space, then distance between both lines will be 0. That means if both lines intersect to each other at a point, then shortest distance between both lines will be 0. And if both lines in a space are parallel, then distance between both lines will be shortest distance. And if both lines don't intersect to each other and not parallel to each other, then what will be distance between both lines? This is very important question. Now we try to understand with this by a diagram. Suppose this is a rectangular coordinate axis x, o, y and z. If we take a cube I like this, and how to draw in a space two lines which never intersect to each other and both lines are not parallel. You can see here, since this is the diagonal of a ceiling, and one another line represent a straight line. Diagonal of ceiling represent a straight line, and another line which join the diagonal of any wall. Suppose this is L1 and this is the L2. In this situation, both lines never intersect to each other and both lines are not parallel also. This type of lines is known as skew lines. Now, if we draw two lines like this, suppose this is the two lines, this is the L1 and this is the L2, both lines are not intersect to each other and both lines are not parallel in a space, then this type of lines is known as skew lines. That means we want to find the shortest distance, SD. SD means shortest distance. This is the short form of the shortest distance of skew lines. Skew lines. What is the meaning of skew lines? Skew lines means if two lines which are not intersect to each other and never intersect to each other and not parallel to each other, then these both lines is known as skew lines. Now how to find the shortest distance between both lines? Shortest distance between these both lines will be a length of line or magnitude of a line which is perpendicular on both lines. Suppose a point S on L2, S on L1 and T on L2, whose position vector of S is A vector and position vector of T is A1 and this is the A2. Right? Position vector of S is A1 and position vector of T is A2, and join to each other. This is a ST, vector ST. Here ST equal to, vector ST equal to A2 minus A1. That means position vector of T minus position vector of S. That means vector A2 minus A1. This is the position vector of ST. If the projection of ST is denoted by PQ, position vector of ST is denoted by PQ, and if join this PQ, then if PQ is the projection of ST, then PQ will be shortest distance if PQ is perpendicular on line L2 and L1 also. Since projection of ST equal to PQ. Therefore, PQ vector equal to ST into cos of theta. This is the relation first. ST equal to PQ, PQ equal to ST into cos of theta. This is the property of projection. Now, if ST and PQ, angle between ST and PQ is theta, therefore PQ equal to ST into cos of theta, already written in the equation 1. This is the equation 2. Now, ST equal to, right here, since ST equal to A2 minus A1, and PQ equal to N cap D into N cap, where D is magnitude of PQ. Now, cos of theta equal to PQ dot ST upon magnitude of PQ into magnitude of ST. This will be PQ means right here ST into, PQ equal to D into N cap into ST means A2 minus A1, right here ST equal to A2 minus A1 whole upon magnitude of PQ. Magnitude of PQ means this will be D into magnitude of ST means ST. Now D and D will be cancelled. This will be N cap dot A2 minus A1 whole upon ST. Since N cap equal to B1 cross B2 upon magnitude of B1 cross B2, therefore cos of theta is equal to, on the place of N cap, this will be B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 whole upon ST into B1 cross B2. This is the relation 2. Therefore, shortest distance is denoted by PQ, which is the magnitude of vector PQ, is equal to D. Then this will be cos of theta, PQ equal to ST into cos of theta. ST means ST into cos of theta. This will be equal to ST into value of cos theta is transferred from equation 2. This will be B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus 7, this is the vector quantity, A2 minus 7 whole upon ST into magnitude B1 cross B2. ST and ST will be cancelled. Therefore, SD equal to PQ equal to D is denoted by magnitude of B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus 7 whole upon magnitude B1 cross B2. This is the shortest distance between two skew lines. Skew lines means those lines never intersect to each other and not parallel to each other. And this will be equal to B1 cross B2 modulus of B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus 7 upon modulus of B1 cross B2. This formula is very important to the point of examination. Now in the next video we will discuss about how to find the shortest